Hello guys, today we make mango wine. I done already this video. This is a new version because instead of the tea for the tannins, I will use the skin and the stone inside of our mangoes. And instead of the wild yeast, I will use the yeast for prosecco wine or spumante wine, champagne wine, because I want a wine very sparkling. For this recipe you need 3 kg of mango. This is two different variety, up to you. If you live in the South America or in the Central America or in Asia, you will find different kind of mango. The important is that they are not green, they should be very sweet, remember. 1 lime, 4 liters of water that I put already on the stove, and 800 grams of white sugar because I don't want to change the color. I put on the stove already the water. Now I cut the mango, the lime, I put everything in the pot. When the water reaches the boiling temperature, we turn off the stove, we cover with the lid, and we wait until it reaches the room temperature. The sugar, we will add it later. Reach the room temperature, we can add the sugar. We stir very well until the sugar melts. After we put everything in the fermenter, we add the yeast. Yeast for sparkling wine. We close with the lid. On the top of the lid I put already the airlock. In the airlock I put the cordiale liquor, or you can use the gin or the vodka or any kind of liquor that you can find in your country or that you have at home. When the fermentation starts, I will update you. Sorry, but before I forgot to check the original gravity, that is 160. After less than 24 hours, the fermentation is running very well. You can notice from all the bubbles that are in our fermenter, plus the fruit is floating, so the fermentation is running. But now I show you the airlock. Yes, the airlock is at level. Why? The answer is very easy. Your fermenter is not closed properly, it's not hermetic. Could be two different reasons. One, you didn't close it well, or you have made some mistake fixing the tools, or if it's homemade, it's not proper for the fermentation, so it's not hermetic. At the beginning it's okay, but after a few days, when you start to have the alcohol inside, if the alcohol get in contact with the air, instead of wine you will have vinegar. So now I keep using this for 3-4 days. After, when I move everything, because I remove the fruit in another fermenter, the other fermenter should be hermetic. During these 3-4 days, what you should do, every 12 hours, 8 hours, when you have time, at least 2 times a day, you need to shake a little bit your fermenter, because we want the fruit mix with our future wine. After 3-4 days, maybe 5 days, we will put our wine in another fermenter. So see you in a few days. After 5 days, we put everything in the second fermenter. On the top we put again the airlock, and we should wait until the fermentation is done. You will notice when the wine will be clear. All the things that remain in the first fermenter, you can use it for the vinegar, or you can use it like a food for your animal. If you have chicken, pigs, and so on, they will be very happy. So, see you when it's the time to put the wine in the bottles. After 10 days in the second fermenter, we can put the wine in the bottles. Inside the bottles I put more or less 8 grams of sugar per liter. This bottle are 33, so 2-3 grams, no more. The final gravity is 990. The original gravity was 1060. The difference is 70. 70 divided 7.5, the coefficient, is 9.3. But because we add a little bit of sugar in the bottles, the final content, the final alcohol content of our wine will be 9.5. Now we should wait at least 2 weeks. If you can wait 2 months, even better. When I'm ready, I will do the testing for you. Spectacular, very fresh, very sparkling, perfect for aperitivo. So it's similar to Prosecco wine, so you can use it like the pineapple wine to make your Aperol Spritz. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like it, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you follow this recipe, let us know down in the comment. If you have some advice, do the same. Please drink with moderation. Bye bye. Spectacular.